I'm Mary Mackey.
I'm John Crandall, and these are my totem poles. I've made these out of a variety of different woods, from pine to black walnut, and all the work in this show was done in 2020, so mostly within about 2 months.
All right, and this is Urban Mud, and this is my gallery, and John is one of the artists that are showing here. I've also got another artist, his name is Kelly Cole, who's showing, and the gallery has been around just for about a year. So I think the passion that I have for owning a gallery came from when I owned the Mackey Gallery back in 1990, and I decided to try my hand again at a new gallery on Santa Fe last year. And my husband and I bought the building about 4 years ago, and I wanted to try the gallery out this time. And also I turned in the back of it into a ceramic studio, and because I got very involved with ceramics. So what about you, John?
Well, I've been an artist all my life. So when I started off, I was probably playing with clay, and that was a lot of fun. And then I started painting for many, many years, and now I sculpt totem poles, and it's the only thing that makes any sense to me.
So how I have adapted with this, the new normal, I have a really fabulous ceramic studio, and we have members here that pay $250 a month, and they get to do whatever they want and enjoy getting to spend time here. I think that is kind of how I'm changing how I'm doing business, is that I'm opening my studio up a lot more, and the gallery is something that is kind of not taking a back seat, but it's not as important to me now as the studio is. So I think the reason why I feel that this is a very special place is I've wanted a place where I have a sense of community. And that's why I started the ceramic studio in the back. But it's not just a ceramic studio, it's where people get together, talk about their art, feel like that they are included. And it's been a big passion of mine is to also promote art and artists in Denver, like John. And I've known John for years, and I've known that when he was at the Pirate Gallery. And I was just happy to see him do this work out of something that I asked him to do.
Yeah, I wasn't even really working prior to all this, so she gave me 2 months, and I got it all done, and then we decided not to have the show. But Mary's a great inspiration to everybody who comes through these doors.
We are open at 530 Santa Fe Drive in Denver. Our hours are Thursday through Saturday, 12 to 5 p.m. or by appointment. You can call 720-271-9601.